Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 11, exercise 11.4. In perimeter of area, we have completed till 11.3. So, see what is in 11.4. Our first question is, a garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path, also find the area of the garden in hectare. So first draw the figure. So see, this is EFGH is a garden. Here length and breadth is given. Okay, and one path 5 meter width of 5 meter is built here outside this garden. This garden EFGH, outside of this garden this path is constructed there. So this width of the path is 5 meter. This is given. So this area ABCD, this rectangle is we have taken this ABCD, and here EFGH is the garden. So we have to find area of path. The path is this area between these two rectangles. This area is called path. This is area of path. Okay, this area of path. We have to find the area of this path, and second also find the area of garden. We have to find area of garden also. So first thing, read the question 2 times. After that, draw this figure, and then third thing is what is given, write it. So what is given in this figure? See, in this figure what is given? Given AB and CD. Here EF and GH is given 90 meter, and AB will be EF plus 5, both side 5 meter path. So AB is equal to 90 plus 5 plus 5. AB and CD are equal. Here AC and BD is also equal. AC and BD is equal to breadth. This is 75. So 75 plus 5 plus 5. We have taken this. Okay. Here EF and GH. See, EF and GH is given. EFGH is given 90. EG and FH is given 75. So what is given? We have written here. After that, what we have to find? We have to find area of path, question mark, area of garden in hectare, question mark. So area of this path means area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. Okay. So area of path is equal to area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. Area of ABCD means length into breadth. AB into AC. Here area of EFGH is also a length into breadth. Length is EF and breadth is EG. We know the values of this AB, AC, EF, EG. We will put the value and then find the area of rectangle ABCD, area of rectangle EFGH. Both are in meter square, and when we subtract it, we got the area of path 1750 meter square. Okay. Now area of garden EFGH. Area of garden EFGH is also length into breadth, and we got this. But we have to convert this meter square into hectare, and we know the formula of conversion. This 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. So 6,750 meter square is divided by 10,000, and we got 0.675 hectare. So at last you write the answer with unit. Area of path is equal to 1750 meter square, and area of garden is 0.675 hectare. So do like this. And now come to question number 2. In question number 2, what is given? See, a 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of path. See this figure. Here this EFGH is a garden. Here 125 is length and 65 is breadth, and 3 meter broad path is surrounded of this rectangle. So 3 meter is the width of this path, and this ABCD will be When we got AB, it is 125 plus 3. And when we will find AC, it will be 65 plus 3. Okay, so like this. EF and GH is given L, this. EG, FH is given 65. AB, CD will be, both side 3 will be plus added. And AC and BD is also equal to, both side we will add 3 and 3. This will be this. Area of path is equal to area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. So what is area of ABCD? ABCD means AB into AC. And EFGH, EF into EG. And what is the value of AB? AB is given 131. See, AB we got here, and AC is 71. And here EF is 125 and EG is 65. Okay, we will, when we calculate it, so do calculation 131 into 71 and 125 into 65. So when we calculate it, 131 into 71, it will be 9301 meter square. And when we calculate it, do multiplication of this, it is 8125 meter square. And when we subtract it, we got 1176 meter square. So this is area of path. And write area of path is equal to 1176 meter square. At last write answer. Answer is 1176 meter square. It is compulsory to write the answer with unit. Now come to question number 3. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide, such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter along each of its side. Find the total area of margin. Here we drawn this figure. Here breadth is given 5 centimeter, length is given 8 centimeter, and it is 1.5 centimeter around it, this margin. And same we will write first given. What is given? Given is this, AB is given this, AC is given this. We have written this. And after that, when we find EG or EF, from this length we will subtract 1.5 in both sides. And here when we got this GH, from CD we will subtract 1.5 both side, and we got the answer like this. And now do calculation. Which formula we will use here? See, area of margin is equal to area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. Again, area of AB into AC is area of ABCD, length into breadth, and we got answer 30 centimeter square. The area of margin is this. In question number 4, we have to find a veranda of width is given, constructed all along outside a room which is this meter long and 4 meter wide. Find area of veranda. Again we have drawn this figure. Here this room is this, EFGH is the room where breadth and length and breadth is given. We will find this area. This is the veranda. Width of veranda is given 2.25 meter. Both sides this veranda. We got ABCD. First we will write given. What is given? Write this given. When EF and EG we know, we can find AB, this line. Both side we will add 2.25 width of veranda, and we got this. Area of veranda is equal to again area of ABCD minus EFGH. Here we will subtract this. We got 63 meter square. Here in question number 2, we have to find cost of cementing the floor of veranda. Cost of cementing the floor of veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. Okay, so cost of 1 meter square is given rupees 200. So cost of 63 meter square will be 200 into 63. We got rupees this. And at last we will write answer. Answer 1 area of veranda 63 meters square, and answer 2, what is the cost of cementing? Rupees this 12,600 rupees. Okay, so here we have done question number 4 questions. You note down it. First clear your concept. Try to do all questions yourself. After that note down. Good day.